In this video, I want to talk about how you can apply coins on AliExpress. Now, if you have some coins saved up from playing games or being on their email list or something, the way to do this is you need to download the app. So if you go to your profile and go to My Coins, you'll see that you need to download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, you want to go to the coins page. Now you can scan this one to head there, or you can click on your profile and there will be one called coins on the app. And once you're in there, you should see a selection of items where you can use your coins for discount. Now it's not all items, only the selected ones in there. Then you simply want to select one of them, proceed to the checkout, and there will be a coins little section where you can apply your coins to the checkout. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Keep in mind you need to do this on the app. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.